Hi, I'm Aditya and this is Chain Lens, my submission for the Summer of Bitcoin 2026 Developer Challenge. Chain Lens is a Bitcoin transaction and block analyzer that breaks down raw Bitcoin data into clear, structured explanation of what's actually happening under the hood. Now, at the core, a Bitcoin transaction consumes previous outputs and creates new ones. Inputs reference unspent transaction outputs or UTXOs, and outputs log Bitcoin to new spending condition using scripts. The difference between total inputs and total outputs is the transaction fee paid to the miner who confirms it. Now, modern transactions use SegWit, which separates signature data into a witness field. This changes how transaction size is measured using weight units and virtual bytes, often reducing the effective fee compared to legacy transactions. Now, let's start with the CLI demo. Now, as you can see here, the CLI outputs a structured JSON analysis, which is, hope this is better. It computes the txid and wtxid, total weight and virtual size. It classifies each input and output by script type. Here we can see p2wpkh. It calculates the total fee, the fee rate in satoshis per virtual byte, and highlights SegWit savings compared to legacy equivalents. It also flags potential issues like dust outputs or unusually high fee rates. Now, the web interface makes the same analysis visual and interactive. You can paste a raw transaction head or load a fixture. Now, just to make it a little more engaging for the user, I decided to use a terminal style display for this. Let's go and just type help in. As you can see, we have 4 options and a clear. Now, let's just go through the preloaded examples. Now, let's load something. Let's run the analyzer. Here you can see this summary in which gives you the type, the size, the fee, and the fee rate. Cool stuff. That is clear because why not? The analysis engine is Chainless renders inputs on the left and outputs on the right, showing amounts and script types clearly. Now, the fee visualization shows exactly how much value goes into the miner and SegWit comparison to the height savings. The analysis engine is also expressed as an API. Just go to the inspect and look at the console. You can see it's being fetched using a get method over here. Now, Chainless supports all major script types including p2pkh, p2sh, p2wpkh, p2wsh, p2dr, and op returns, and also passes blocks with merkle root verification and coinbase decoding. Thank you for watching.